Have you ever heard of these rare and peculiar animals? Our planet is home to a diverse array of creatures, many of which fly under the radar of our everyday lives. Today, we'll explore 10 of the most unusual and interesting animals that you might not have heard of before. Let's dive into the world of these fascinating creatures. Starting our countdown at number 10, we have the wallaby. A charming creature, the wallaby is a small to mid-sized marsupial that's native to Australia and New Guinea. It's often mistaken for its larger cousin, the kangaroo. But the wallaby has a distinctive look with darker colors and a compact size. Wallabies thrive in a variety of habitats, from bushlands to mountains and even in urban areas. They're agile climbers and swimmers, making them versatile survivors. One of their unique characteristics is their powerful hind legs, perfect for hopping at high speed and covering large distances. Did you know? Wallabies have a fascinating social structure. They communicate using a series of thumps, clicks, and hisses, and even have unique body language. They're also known for their pouches where the mothers carry their young, known as joeys. Wallabies are certainly captivating creatures, aren't they? But the animal kingdom is full of surprises. At number 9, we have the amazingly adorable sugar glider. This petite and playful creature is a small marsupial originally from the rainforests of Australia and Indonesia. The sugar glider is renowned for its capacity to glide through the air, much like a flying squirrel, thanks to a thin membrane of skin, known as a patagium, that stretches from its wrist to its ankle. Interestingly, the sugar glider is also a nectar feeder. Its name stems from its fondness for sweet foods and its ability to glide. It's a social animal, usually living in groups of up to 7, communicating with each other through a range of vocalizations. One peculiar fact about sugar gliders is that they have a life expectancy of 12 to 15 years in captivity, which is quite long for such a small creature. Despite their size, they are not low-maintenance pets and require a special diet and lots of attention. Number 8 on our list is the elusive spotted genet. This peculiar creature is a small carnivore that hails from the African continent. It's known for its long, slender body covered in unique, spotted fur, which is the reason behind its name. This nocturnal animal thrives in a variety of habitats, from dense forests to open savannas, and even in the urban landscapes, showcasing its adaptability. One of the fascinating characteristics of the spotted genet is its agility. It can climb trees and jump from one branch to another with ease, thanks to its muscled body and long tail that provides balance. It's a solitary animal, preferring to lead a solitary life except during the mating season. While it is not endangered, the spotted genet is often overlooked in the animal kingdom, but its unique characteristics and behavior make it one of the most captivating creatures out there. Coming in at number 7, we have the charming pygmy goats. These pint-sized creatures are a miniature domestic breed of goats originating from West Africa. Their compact size is what sets them apart, standing only about 1.5 to 2 feet tall. Despite their small stature, pygmy goats are known for their high energy and playful nature. They are social animals, often found in groups, and have a strong herd instinct. Their diet is primarily vegetarian, consisting of leaves, grasses, and grains. One interesting fact about pygmy goats is that they are excellent climbers. Given the opportunity, they will climb anything from a small mound to a steep hill. They've even been known to climb trees. Their unique combination of size, personality, and agility make them an intriguing addition to our list of rare and peculiar animals. Number 6 on our list is the endearing dwarf pig. This pint-sized porker hails from the verdant landscapes of Southeast Asia, where it thrives in both wild and domestic environments. Also known as the miniature pig, this creature's small stature is a result of selective breeding over generations. But don't let its size fool you. The dwarf pig is as robust and intelligent as its larger counterparts. These little guys have a remarkable ability to adapt to various climates, from the humid tropics to the chillier regions of Europe and North America. They're also known for their affable nature and keen intelligence, making them popular choices as pets. That's right, a pig for a pet. They can even be trained to do tricks, much like dogs. With their unique characteristics and adaptive nature, dwarf pigs truly stand out in the animal kingdom. At number 5, we have the impressive bearded dragon. This fascinating creature is native to the arid regions of Australia, where it thrives under the scorching sun. Named for the spiky, scale-covered pouch on their throat that resembles a beard, these dragons are far from fire-breathing monsters. They are actually quite docile and are known to be one of the friendliest reptile species. Their unique characteristics don't stop at their namesake beard. Bearded dragons are semi-arboreal, meaning they spend a good portion of their life in trees. They have been known to change color in response to their environment or mood, a trait that adds to their allure and mystique. And here's an interesting fact. They can wave. Yes, you heard that right. Bearded dragons often wave their arms as a form of communication. A creature of many surprises, the bearded dragon truly deserves its place on our list. Number 4 on our list is the fascinating axolotl. Also known as the Mexican walking fish, this intriguing creature is not a fish but an amphibian, calling the remnants of Xochimilco, a system of lakes and canals near Mexico City, its home. The axolotl boasts some unique characteristics, most notably its fringed gills that sway like delicate underwater flowers. This remarkable creature is a master of regeneration. It can regrow not just limbs, but also its heart, spinal cord, and even parts of its brain. Isn't that mind-blowing? To add to its charm, the axolotl remains in its larval form throughout its life, a phenomenon known as neoteny. But the axolotl is more than just a face. It's a beacon of hope in medical science, offering insights into human regeneration possibilities. Unfortunately, these peculiar creatures are critically endangered due to habitat loss and pollution. Coming in at number 3, we have the lively squirrel monkey. Native to the tropical rainforests of Central and South America, these nimble creatures are a marvel to behold. With their distinctive olive or yellowish fur, they stand out in the lush greenery of their habitat. But it's not just their appearance that's fascinating. Squirrel monkeys are known for their exceptional intelligence. They have the largest brain-to-body mass ratio of all the primates, which makes them quite the little geniuses of the animal kingdom. They're also incredibly social creatures, forming troops of up to 500 members. One of the most intriguing aspects of the squirrel monkey is their communication. They use a complex system of vocal, visual, and olfactory signals to interact with each other. It's an intricate language that we're only beginning to understand. A testament to adaptability and intelligence, the squirrel monkey truly embodies the spirit of the rainforest. At number 2, we have the enchanting Fenek Fox. This delightful creature is the smallest of all the world's foxes, yet its ears tell a much bigger story. These oversized appendages aren't just for show. They serve a practical purpose, allowing the Fenek Fox to dissipate heat and stay cool in the harsh desert environment where it calls home. The Fenek Fox is a native of the Sahara and other parts of North Africa. Its thick, cream-colored coat not only provides excellent camouflage but also reflects the sun's brutal heat during the day and keeps the fox warm during the chilly desert nights. This fox is more than just a pretty face. It has a knack for survival. Despite being a primarily nocturnal hunter, the Fenek Fox has an exceptional ability to go for long periods without water, obtaining most of its hydration from the food it consumes. And finally, at number 1, we have the majestic capybara. The capybara, native to South America, is the largest rodent in the world, reaching sizes of up to 4 feet long. This fascinating creature is semi-aquatic, spending much of its time in water where it's able to stay submerged for up to 5 minutes at a time. A unique characteristic of the capybara is its webbed feet, which make it an excellent swimmer. These gentle giants are also incredibly social, often seen in groups of 10 to 20, communicating through a mixture of scent marking and vocalizations. Here's an interesting fact about capybaras. Despite their large size, they have a diet consisting mainly of grasses and aquatic plants. However, they have been known to supplement their diet with fruit and tree bark. And there you have it, starting our journey with the wallaby, a small but sprightly marsupial. Then we glide over to the sugar glider, whose name is as sweet as its appearance. Next, we'll spot the spotted genet, a creature with a coat as unique as its habits. We also meet the pygmy goats, dwarf pigs, and bearded dragons, each with their own distinct charm and quirks. We also dive underwater with the axolotl, swing through the trees with the squirrel monkey, and listen to the desert wind with the Fenek Fox. And last but not least, we'll end our journey with the capybara, the largest rodent in the world. Thanks for joining us on this fascinating journey.